Hi everyone. Today I introduce my whole family. A shirt style for middle-aged ha. The boat. Then the hand will spread out below and line. Well, it's going to go from the waist down to about 5. The two lines on the sides are equal. Today we will do it together. This middle-aged outfit. For this model, I will sew it with silk, where it will be cool and it is pleasant for the age of our sisters. And now I started to get into the design. For this model, it is about the same length as the lower waist. About a year of gasoline. So I only take 50 gasoline for my shirt here. This is the face on the ass. You can also take this style down if you want. But here I'm drawing the pattern on my ass. Then you'll cross a line. I took the shoulder with the shoulder. Divide by 2, this is my shoulder. 2 is equal to 16. Let's say your shoulder is not number 32. Where the number is 40 or 48 or 50, you will replace this number. Come here so we can get a new number. Then, this is 16. And then from here, you measure down to 4. Then in the neck we will. Is the stock divided by the year is equal to 30 divided is by equal 5. To 6. It's the same. If you are 5 or 40, change the number. Go in here and this number will change. Take 6. Then I'll connect the neckline with the lower shoulder line. Then I'll take the chest down. If you lower your chest here, you will take chomi as your year by 2. The bust size is 80 divided by 5 plus 2, I get 18. I'll measure it from up here. Is equal to 18. I built a perpendicular line. And then you'll take it across your chest. It's equal to the chest divided by 4 plus 2. Is equal to 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From out here, you'll measure 22. Then I'll lower my waist. If we lower the waist, we will measure it according to the body measurement. So you're going to measure this number, and it's going to change. Well, after we get it, you guys, we'll take the waist. The waist is divided by 4. This is my wide body plus 2. That's 64 divided by 4 plus 2, which is 18. And from the outside, you measure 18. Oh, this shirt. Then we're not going to take the butt. That I'm going to draw from the chest down to the waist. Then you build a perpendicular road. This way, it's going to be perpendicular. Then from here the sisters draw to inches. That we're going to get the side of the shirt. And this one is the line from here. You'll measure up to 5. And we're going to go fishing. Let's start from here. And then you're going to curl up the 5-inch segment. Here it becomes back on the curve. The body first, the shirt would be like this. And this shirt. Next, we're going to build a perpendicular line here. Then I'll back to inches. Split it in 2. Let's split it in half again. Then I'll draw the armpit ring. That's where we get the armpit line. And then from out here, back for inches. The back of the neck is 6 inches. Then I put a corner ruler in here. we'll get the position of the boat. And it's the same. Do use your breasts here, they're not 80. It's a number of 100. For example, you're going to replace this number 100 here. Same with this one. The waistline here too. For example, if you take 70 from your waist, you can take 70. If you put it in here, this number will change. Then you draw this number across raw. For example, here are 100. This number will also change. Then you will take this other. The same goes for example, 100. This number will also change according to your new measurements. This lower waist, we will also be 2. It starts from the 7th cervical vertebra up to the elbow. Everyone will have a different number, so you have to measure on your body. We finished the body before and after. When I've done the body first, then we'll paint for the back body. From here, you will measure up to gasoline. Then me. Draw the armpit line from here. Racho sisters is 7 glasses. Here you go. Give me a break. Ha. Then the back neck. Then we'll take it from the shoulder the day before. We push up and you go behind. Come down. Give me a gas bar. Here we'll get the back body. This is the back body. The body behind it will go flat. It doesn't go the curve. And now we're going to cut Arabic. Please note that I am an Arab model. There is no seam. You cut, then you have to leave the seams for us to sew. A seam is not enough. And if you look here and you don't know how lucky we are. For this shirt, comment below. When I saw the comment you asked for, maybe 10 comments request May. I'll cut it directly on the fabric. Guide the whole family. Please remember to support me too. Thank you, my sisters. Then we cut. I'll cut the black line for the back. We cut the front and the back. Here's the body. It will be different from the body before a point. That's the chest line of the body later. It will be smaller than the previous body, so here I'll cut just another gasoline. You will be associated with the SAO body here. This body will be the SAO body. This star sisters multiply for a raw 7. Here we will be the way. Here we multiply for a raw 7 is us. That's part 7 double. Star multiplied by raw 7, it's 7 times. Then I'll leave the next part. Adjustment for the front body. In the first part, you will cut the neck. Come down. Hey. Armpit part. Here we go in. Follow the inside. Then, in the line, we will. The horizontal part of we keep it, but the line. Down here, you're going to cut it. This will be the previous part. This will be the front. The other day you also gave a 7. This is what I will be. Don't double it, but if you don't like to wear this, come here, you can. It's a drop of water and 7 petrol here. Then we push the button. This is what our collar is wearing. It's easier to plant it. Well, it's up to you with this number. It's enough to plant it. But if you like to be comfortable, then you can be. Adjust it by being like that. And when we're done, we'll draw. For the armpit part. And the armpits, you'll measure directly on the arm. Here I measured 21. For the body first. and the back armpit. Measure 22. Now the front armpit ring and the back armpit ring. I can measure it. Now I'm going to cut the sleeve. Here, I'll get long sleeves here, long sleeves here. So I'm going from 32 to 35. Then you'll measure me the chest. I'll take the chest. Divide by 10 plus by 5. My chest line was 80, ladies. Divide by 10 plus 5 and we get 13. The ones that have measurements. If you have other breasts, you will replace them. Then you're going to take down 13, which is equal to this number. Give me a perpendicular line. I'll take 21 as the first line. Plus 22 is the following line. Guys, that number is here. I just measured 22 and 21 as these two numbers. If I add that up, I'll be 43. Dividing by 2 is 21.5. Then we'll find 21.5 on this ruler. I'll put it in here. And the top here, it's going to be here. 1.5 straight lines. Then we split in 2. Down is 1 inch and up is 2. Then, you're going to straight this way right down here. Then here are the Rata sisters, and you join them. You can reduce this to 5 glasses. I hit this place. And from here you're up to inches. And we'll draw the hand shape. It's like a shirt. Then I will cut. Then you'll cut the sleeve. Like this picture. Then you expand. If you open it, this hand will be the back hand. This hand will be the first. Because it's the front hand, I will cut down a centimeter of gasoline here. And then we cut a centimeter of gas. Then we'll get the Arabic part. The front hand. Oh dear, huh? Arabic body part, Arabic hand part, and Arabic body part. And before you are here, you will. Enough for a whole set of Arabs for the shirt. Here. And this part will have a splint. Let me show you how to fix it. You will put it up here. Part of our fabric. For example, this is a double fold cloth that you have to cut on. I put this part in half. Then I'll put this part up here. Then you will cut. Remember to leave the seam before cutting. Leave the seam for the neck. If I cut it, I suppose I left the seam. You will cut inside. The seam I just left. Cut it out and you'll get the size for the splint. This is like 5 inches. I took 5 pieces. You take all 5. And then we'll take 5 inches and then we'll curl it in. Then we cut. Splint. This part is cut on glue, ladies. After we cut on the glue, then you will extend the splint. You put glue on the cloth. Glue on the cloth and then I put the up here we may. Then we'll get the same collar as the picture. Here it is. I just shared. Give your sisters the way we do it. if there is anything wrong with this shirt. My sisters will a comment ask a question below. I'll look at the comments and answer my sister when I see her. Thank you. Hi. See you later.